deep in the remote wilderness of Tanzania, one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes still yaish exactly as their ancestors did thousands of years ago. Today you're about to witness something rare, a real hunt, using nothing but handmade tools and ancient knowledge. From tracking a wild antelope to cooking it over an open fire, this is survival in its purest form. Make sure to like and subscribe for more real tribal life stories.
As the sun slowly rises, the Hadzabe men prepare for the hunt. There are no modern weapons here, only bows and arrows, crafted by hand. Each arrow is carefully coated with natural poison made from local plants. The hunters move silently, communicating through subtle gestures. Every step matters. Every sound could alert their prey. For the Hadzabe, hunting is not just survival, it is tradition, skill, and identity.
The group enters deeper into the dry savanna, scanning the ground. They read the earth like a book. Broken grass, fresh footprints, disturbed soil, all signs of nearby animals. Suddenly, one hunter signals. Fresh antelope tracks. The tension rises. The hunters spread out, moving slowly, carefully positioning themselves. The wind direction is checked. The hunters must stay downwind to avoid detection.
In the distance, an antelope appears. The hunters freeze. One man slowly raises his bow, pulls back the string, and releases. The arrow flies silently through the air, striking the antelope. But the hunt is not over. The poison takes time. The hunters follow patiently, tracking the animal for hours if necessary. Persistence is key. Eventually, the antelope weakens and collapses. The hunters approach with respect. This is not just food, it is life. They give thanks in their own traditional way, honoring the animal. The meat will feed the entire group, Nothing will be wasted. Back at their camp, the fire is prepared using dry wood and simple tools. The meat is cut into pieces and placed directly over the open flames. No spices, no oil, just fire and fresh meat. The smell fills the air as the meat slowly cooks. Children gather around. Elders sit nearby. This is more than a meal. It is a moment of community.
The cooked meat is shared among everyone. Hands are used, no plates, no utensils. Laughter, conversation, and storytelling fill the air. For the Hadzabe, food is not just about eating. It is about connection, family, and survival together. In a world driven by technology, the Hadzabe remind us of something powerful, that humans can still live in harmony with nature. Their skills, their traditions, and their way of life are a living link to our past. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible tribal life stories.